This is Ben. He is working in the training and adult education or TAE industry. His company has been using paper-based attendance sheets, manual data entry, issues printed certificates, and logistical coordination to support classroom training. Unlike Ben, our company has gone digital to improve efficiency and customer service. We use a training management system to automate training administration and a digital learning platform to create digital content and deliver a seamless and positive learning experience for our learners. Come, let me show you how the industry is transforming. The TAE industry plays a key role in developing the mastery of skills and capabilities of the Singapore workforce. The TAE industry supports industry transformation efforts to enable Singaporeans to adapt and thrive in a continually changing job market. There are over 1,000 training organizations in our industry, where 98% are SMEs. Together, they employ a workforce of more than 20,000. To meet the growing demand for high-quality courses, the TAE industry must improve productivity and expand training modalities for flexible and blended learning. This will also help us to scale our courses to reach more learners cost-effectively. To help SMEs like us seize the opportunities from these trends, the Infocom Media Development Authority, in partnership with the Skills Future Singapore and the industry, jointly developed the Training and Adult Education Industry Digital Plan, or IDP. The IDP is part of the SMEs Go Digital program that helps to make going digital simple for SMEs. It provides SMEs with a step-by-step guide on the digital solutions to adopt at each stage of their business growth. SMEs can use the digital roadmap in the IDP to find out if their business is digital ready and take action to get started. SMEs starting on their digital journey can adopt easy-to-implement solutions that include digital attendance, digital certification, training management system, digital learning platform, and data analytics to optimize operations and free up resources to deliver higher value work. SMEs that are further along in their digital journey can participate in digital ecosystems to maximize resources and access new local markets by adopting solutions such as rapid content creation, digital learning marketplace, and job skills insights. SMEs considering advanced technologies to leap ahead can tap on intelligent solutions such as Intelligent Learning Advisor, Smart Resource Planning, and predictive service delivery to offer their services and products globally. The IDP also includes a digital training roadmap to ensure that the TAE workforce is equipped with the necessary mindset, skills, and knowledge to support digital transformation. Isn't it a wonderful change? Start your digital journey today!